it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I am going to be discussing different breathing techniques or methods.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important to shift your mindset from a negative one, possibly a fixed mindset, to a more positive one, a growth mindset. If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm. The first one that I want to discuss is the 4-7-8 method. I want to start off with some humility because I have been labeling this and doing this breathing exercise incorrectly for a bit. So it's called the 4-7-8 method, but I have been doing it as the 7-4-8 method. I don't know if I learned from somewhere else that it was a 7-4-8 method, but the original place that I learned it from was through my online schooling, IIN, and his name was Andrew Wheel, and he calls it the 4-7-8 method. I just have been saying it wrong. You breathe in for a count of 4, and you hold for 7, and then you exhale at a count of 8. And now when you're doing that, when you're breathing out, you're supposed to place your tongue, the tip of your tongue, right behind your teeth, in between, like right where your teeth and your gums meet. So like this. You see? And then when you breathe out, it'll be like that. So you can either leave your eyes open or you can lower your gaze and close your eyes. I personally always do my breathing with my eyes closed just so I'm not distracted by anything around me. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8. And then you're going to repeat that 4 times. That feels good. I really enjoy this, and I have been using it for a while now. And I remember when I was a server, I used to go step away from the guests, because if you're a server, you know that guests can be very frustrating. You're very grateful that they came in and tipped if they did tip. But I used to use this breathing technique all the time because I would get triggered. And so I'd have to step away to gain control of my breath and gain control of my life and my emotions. So you do it 4 times and it really doesn't take long at all. The next one is one that I often use when meditating, and that is diaphragmatic breathing. And so sit in a comfortable position or lie down if you would like to lie down. I don't because I'll fall asleep. You lower your gaze and close your eyes, and then you place your hands on your stomach. I know you can't really see it, but you place your hands on your stomach, and then you inhale slowly and deeply, and you exhale completely. When you inhale, you need to focus on your breath and make sure that your stomach expands out, and you'll be able to focus on your breath easier because your hands are there. So you'll be able to feel your stomach rise when you inhale and then fall when you exhale. So whenever you notice that your mind is veering off and not focusing on your breath or the rise and fall of your stomach, then just bring it back to your breath. Don't dwell on it. Don't beat yourself up for it. Just bring it back to the breath and focus on the breathing again. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So you'll be able to feel your hand rise and fall, and you're going to inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth or your nose, whatever you prefer. And you do that for 2 minutes or more. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it, and the more you'll practice, the more calm you will become. Now this last one, I don't actually know the name of, but I do this very often when I am meditating. This one, you are going to inhale slow and as deep as you can, and then exhale completely until your body is like shaking. So exhale all of the air that you possibly can. Repeat this 4 to 8 times. This is how you do it. You lower your gaze and close your eyes. And then you inhale slowly and deeply. I learned this from my chiropractor when I went a few years ago. This one can be difficult, and the reason why I say that is because when you have exhaled as you feel may have been as much as you possibly can, there's going to be a little bit more. And you can keep going until you hear yourself make a noise, or you can keep going until you feel like you've shaken enough and it's just like you can't anymore. The other part that is difficult is when you do exhale completely, you're going to want to immediately get air like I did the first time. And this is, again, a practice because you don't want to breathe in quickly. You want to slowly gather the air instead of breathe in slowly. Again, this is going to take practice, so don't beat yourself up. It's different than all the other breathing that I've tried. These were my top 3 breathing techniques. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more, and also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload a video. I do upload Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, so I am posting pretty regular. Come back and see me and stay tuned for the next video that is recommended after. Also, hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that way the video can reach more people, and also share with your family and friends. Anybody who suffers with anxiety or gets stressed out, these will definitely help. So go ahead and share it with people that you know can benefit from this. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.